Hello and welcome to the demo for the BizBuySell deal analyzer that we built for a Chrome extension. As you'll see, when you come in, you'll notice that anywhere you see this kind of light blue background is where we're injecting some additional information into the page to help you with your business analysis. We're doing sales multiples, debt service, and net cash flow. The debt service is a calculation on the asking price, and being calculated for SBA financing at current rates at the recording of this video, about 10% on a 10-year note. And the net cash flow calculation is the net profit after debt service of the cash flow. So you'll see this at 4.6 here million. Debt service is going to be 2.1 or almost 2.2 million per year, and this is the net cash flow from that business per year after debt service. So this works really well. There is a few exceptions where it will not work. If there is no cash flow being provided on the page, our analyzer will not show any additional results there. It also will not show anything on auctions. So asking price and cash flow is required in order for our tool to display information. So let's going to dive in a little bit further. Let's go ahead and look at the sports bar here. And we're providing some additional information here. So again, the sales multiple, debt service information, the net cash flow, and your cash on cash return. The cash on cash return is based on 10% down payment of the buying of the business, and what the net cash flow is here after debt service, it gives you your cash on cash return. FF&E tax deduction, when there is an FF&E that is displayed here, you'll get the results of the FF&E tax deduction, which is based on current rates of about 80% of the FF&E can be taken in a first year tax deduction. The real estate tax deduction is calculated on 30%. Do your own due diligence and research on these things. 25-30% is kind of about an average that you can get on the real estate. Do consult with your tax consultant. So we're going to go look at copy to clipboard. This is another feature here that you can then go to Google Sheet. To get to the Google Sheet, click on the icon for the extension, and there's an Access Google Sheet here. You click on that, open up the sheet, and when you get to this, go to then File and make a copy. This will make a brand new copy in your Google Drive that you can then go through and make additional adjustments on it. And it's copied in my current clipboard. Go into column B for the next line, Command V to paste or Control V to paste, and you now have the sports bar information in here. If you feel like this is a good opportunity, you can check mark it to kind of highlight it for yourself. One other feature that is on here is if you go to My BizBuySell and go to My Saved Listings, you also get a little snapshot, kind of like on the search results, where you have the sales multiple, debt service, and net cash flow information on here. Hope you enjoy, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.